Do you know that the most popular AI right now, which is ChatGPT, can make you nothing less than up to $200 every single month? Yes, you heard me right. With the help of ChatGPT, you can be making up to $200 per monthly as someone without even experience in any field at all. Trust me, ChatGPT has been the main game changer for a lot of people. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 simple side hustle ideas that you can start today using ChatGPT. Trust me, this is really fast and simple. I'm going to share with you these 5 side hustle ideas and also take you on my laptop and show you a practical walkthrough on how you can use ChatGPT to simply help you get this job done and then get paid for it. So if this sounds like you, hello guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to Perez Tech. On this channel, I only focus on how you and I can make money online through sharing side hustle ideas, real-time business ideas, and also blogging tips that will help you move your blog to the next level. So if this sounds like you, why then smash that subscribe button. So without do I say, let's get started with today's video. Let me share with you these 5 side hustle ideas and how you can start using ChatGPT to actually start working in this industry. So the first on my list is simply building a tool website with ChatGPT. So these are gone that you have to learn a lot of coding experience to be able to build a minor tool website, because with the help of ChatGPT you no longer have to learn all those stress from coding for you to start building a tool website. Because with ChatGPT, a single prompt can simply generate you as many tool websites as possible that you can either sell for money or simply host them and start making money from ad revenue. There are a lot of tool websites out there, such as all-in-one SEO. There are a lot of tool websites out there that actually generate owners a lot of ad revenue month in, month out, and some people just build these tools and then sell them ads to actually make money online. Like personally, before the launch of ChatGPT, which was this was 3 years ago, when I wanted to build my tool website, I had to pay someone to build these tools for me. But no more, with this modern age, ChatGPT will actually help you do that, and I'm going to show you how you can do this as well. So the 2 ways you can make money with building a tool website is: one, simply building this tool website yourself, hosting it yourself, and then monetizing it through ad revenue. Or secondly, you build a tool website and sell it. So now that you've known how you can make money with tool websites, why don't I take straight on my computer and share with you exactly how you can build this tool website with ChatGPT and then start making money with it. So now let's get on my computer. Let me show you the single prompt you can use to build this sort of tool website. You paste it in here, which is when it comes to using it to generate a tool website. So when it comes to generating tool website, here's a prompt to use. I need a tool that does, so over here put the specific tags. Can you help me write the code for it? So over here now, once you give it ChatGPT like now, with WordPress you can easily host these tools. So if you need a video on how you ChatGPT to create tools and host, let me know that in the comment section and I'm going to work on it. So over here now, I put in a particular tool name. For example, I need a tool that does, then put the tags here. So depending on the tags you want, let me say I need a tool that can help my users make basic monthly wages calculation. So after here now make sure that the particular thing you are telling ChatGPT is actually on point, so that you'll be able to get exactly the script you need. Now after this, now you can take the script over to WordPress and then put it into WordPress, use the code inserter in WordPress and then work on it and put it there. Note, before you start doing this, I would advise you learn a little bit of how to connect all these various scripts. So in case you don't understand the way it's been generated, like you can tell it that, okay, you need the script separately. You need the JavaScript, the PHP, and then the HTML separately, so you can host them. Then you bring them together and then host them. And also always read at whatever thing is giving you under. You can say copy and paste this code into a Python file, e.g. wage_calculator.py, and run it using a Python interpreter. It will prompt the user to enter their hourly rate and then the number of hours worked. The code will then calculate the monthly wages, consider both regular hours and overtime hours if applicable. So in case you are someone who is not used to this PHP, unlike me who know a little bit of it, then you can tell it that, okay, let it generate it in separate, like different code versions for you.
then you can go and watch a YouTube video and then bring all together and then create a particular single tool using ChatGPT.
The second one on my list is simply using ChatGPT to write ad copies. So there are a lot of businesses out there, a lot of agencies out there that are looking for people that will help them create these ad copies when they want to run advertisement for business. Like for example, the businesses I handle, when I want to run advert for them, I use ChatGPT to create this content, like the content, and then use it as the ad copy. Because one thing I first of all do, I use ChatGPT to create this content, then I edit it myself and then start running the ad with it. And not everyone knows that they can use ChatGPT to do this. So you, as someone who is looking for a side hustle, this is something you can simply learn. You can simply go and learn the basics of writing ad copy here on YouTube. There are a lot of videos you can learn. Once you learn it, then you can implement this prompt that I'm going to show to you. So you go to ChatGPT, you tell ChatGPT to generate these ad copies for you, and then you optimize them well, and they get paid from all these people who want to run ads for it. That's really profitable, because I know a lot of people who make money through writing ad copies. So when I say ad copies, it's not just advertisement copies alone. You can write email copies, sales page copies, and these are easy things that you can do with ChatGPT to start making money with it.
So when it comes over to writing the ad copy, here's a simple prompt I want you to use. Over here, you can see that I've created a lot of other stuff using ChatGPT. I use ChatGPT a lot. So after that, let me just paste it in here. So here is the prompt. So all the prompts that I'm showing here on this screen will be done in this video description. So I'll be tagging each prompt down in the description per single subheading, so you understand what each of the prompts are actually referring to. So you can see I need to write some ad copy for sales page or email to promote. Then over here you put in the product or services name. Then you tell it, can you help me come up with some compelling language like this? Then ChatGPT is automatically going to generate some good other email or sales page copies for you. This is simply how it works. It's really this easy. So this is a simple prompt you are going to use for this. Other prompt will be down in the description. So putting it to practical use, let me say I need to write some ad copy for a sales page. So now I'm going to use sales page to promote. So over here I'm going to put the product name to promote. Okay, so now let me just use a services I offer to promote graphic design service. So after this, just enter. Now ChatGPT is going to generate it for you. Then after that, you can go on and edit it. As I already said, always edit. Now you can see it's giving me several opinions here. You can see. So after this one, now you have to go and edit this one yourself to match what real users will actually be interested in. So I always advise I don't copy and paste whatever thing ChatGPT generates for you. Always edit it. So that is about a prompt I used to write this. As I just said, a prompt will be done in the video description according to how the clips are arranged in this video.
The third one on my list, the third side hustle ideas you can do with ChatGPT is simply create resume for job seekers. So what do I mean by creating resume? So there are a lot of people out there who are looking for a job, but then they don't actually know how to create these simple resumes so that they can get the job they want, so they can send to the particular person they are actually trying to get the job from. So one of the easiest side hustle you can do is simply, but this one might not be really that profitable if you don't market yourself well, because before you can start getting people who will send you this sort of message that they need someone to help them write resume, well, you need to probably build your social media profile, because you only meet these people on social media. No one is going to walk straight to your doorstep to tell you that you should help them generate this. So you will have to start creating content related to that particular job seeking topic on your social media platform, and then eventually you reach a lot of people who will be coming to you, not just minor people, but even bigger people will be coming to you saying that they need you to help them write all these resume copies. And with ChatGPT, you can easily do this with a simple prompt I'm going to show to you. So if you are a job seeker seeing this, then this is an opportunity for you to learn how you can use ChatGPT to create your own job resume. And if you are someone who is looking for a side hustle, this is also an opportunity for you to start making money online. And there are a lot of people offering this sort of services on freelancing platforms and still making money from them. Trust me, when you come over to Fiverr right now, there's a section called AI. On that place, they only list AI services, and on those places you can get all these sort of jobs that I'm actually telling you here on YouTube. So with that already said, let me get straight onto my laptop and show you how you can use ChatGPT to create resumes and then sell them to job seekers and then make money from it in return.
Okay, so the next here is, for example, if you are a job seeker or you want to create resumes for job seekers, here's the simple prompt you have to use. Don't worry, all these prompts will be linked down in the description, so you can go copy any of them down in the description. So here is it. I'm looking for a new job and I need to update my resume. can you help me create a strong professional resume? So one advice I'll give to you that is better you always state the particular job you are offering for in it, and then it's going to help you state it. So now let me just let it generate this. You can see here is the resume. Is generating your name, your address, country, state. So now here is everything. Now it's giving you every single idea you need to edit this resume to fit the particular skill that you are applying for. You can see this is a very short and simple resume that it has created for you with very easy. So everything I'll tell you is that always copy this, then re-edit it to match that particular client. Like if you are doing for someone who is offering for, let me say, a doctoring position or anything, you can simply take this one and then edit it to match that person's information, to make sure everything matches that person's information before you submit it to the person. So for you to get this, you need to ask the person all the particular documentation he or she has. So that's simply it about using ChatGPT to create resumes for job seekers.
The fourth one on my list is simply content idea generation. So what do I mean by this? So this particular one might be more needed by social media managers, bloggers, or random content creators might actually need this. So with the help of ChatGPT, you'll be able to create a lot of content ideas. So for me, most of the times when I'm creating my blog posts, as much as one head cannot carry every information, I use AI to attempt generate content ideas so that I'll be able to get more valuable point to add to my content to give it more value to my audience. So not every time that I always have the time to do. So most of the time I simply pay people to help me generate these content ideas using ChatGPT. But the payment might not be that much depending on the people whom you offer the service to. But it's also a great way to start doing some side hustles if you're a sit-at-home mom or just a college student looking for some few bucks to support yourself on the side. This might be a great way also because, for example, there are a lot of bloggers out there that need people to help them generate content ideas. Like at times you brainstorm until you get tired, or you might be really busy. Like someone like me who shoot videos, instead, like I shoot videos on this channel, I shoot videos on my social media platforms, I shoot videos for my other YouTube channel. So most of the time I'm always occupied. So mostly I pay people to actually help me get some few tasks done. Like the last person who helped me do keyword research, I actually paid him around $20. Yeah, I paid him around $20, which was not a penny from when he converted to his national currency. So it's really this easy, and these are easy things you can do to start making money. As I said, for you to get people to contact you, you need to first of all associate yourself with people in these industries. Like if that person wasn't creating content around this topic on the social media platform, I wouldn't have contacted him to help me get the job done. This is really simple, and I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to create content ideas so that when you finally get people looking for this help, you'll be able to help them do it. So this one is not just limited to bloggers alone. Even business owners who have social media platform might pay you to help them get a smooth content strategy so that they can be creating content around it and then be posting on their social media platform. So now let's get straight on my computer. Let me show you the simple prompt you can use on ChatGPT to actually create these content ideas and then start making money with it.
So now when it comes over to using ChatGPT to create content ideas, like for this I've actually talked about it several times on different videos using different prompts. So you can go and watch my other videos about using ChatGPT to create content ideas. But here's a different prompt that I can also share with you in this video. So once you come over here, let me just paste it in here. Here's the prompt. I'm looking for ideas for a blog post on. Over here, then you put the topic. So now let me say for the topic, a blog post on cryptocurrency for beginners. It seems I made a spelling error here, yeah. So after that, simply, can you help me brainstorm some ideas? So for example, the person will give you the particular topic or the keyword that you want you to generate the content around. So once the person gives you this keyword, now you can go ahead and then use ChatGPT to generate these content ideas and even add a brief for the person. So you can see Crypto 101 Beginner's Guide, Getting Started with Cryptocurrency, the original cryptocurrency. Demystifying blockchain technology, the foundation of cryptocurrency, wallet and exchanges, navigating the crypto marketplace. So now ChatGPT will give you several ideas, so you can tell it to continue generating. So I use an additional to here that says please continue. The ChatGPT is actually going to continue generating. So depending on the amount of ideas you budgeted with the person, then you can simply ChatGPT to generate them, and you can see that all this is literally taking you less than 5 minutes to do, and these are things you can do easily. And if you're able to get more clients, meaning the more money you're going to make with this ease.
The final one on my list is simply become an AI expert. So what do I mean by becoming an AI expert? So AI in this modern age of time, and as we go on, AI will take a lot of positions in this world. I don't mean taking away your jobs, but trust me, there'll be a lot of fields that will require more AI services than real human services. And this is the right time for you to become an AI expert. So to become an AI expert is really easy. All the AIs out there are simply easier to learn in this modern age and time. So you can even use them themselves to learn from them, or probably pay someone to learn. So recently, I was actually reading through social media when I found out that someone actually paid $150 to actually buy an AI course. Trust me, imagine paying $150 to buy an AI course, and then you created this course and they sell that course to 10 to 100 people. You know how much you've actually made from there. And this is really important because I took a lot of courses to learn more about AI. That's why I can use AI to create content for any platform at all. Like any AI you give to me today, I can use to create content for any single platform at all, and make sure that I'm keeping that platform policy of not violating with AI content. So when you're able to become an expert in AI like this, you can create courses around AI content and then start selling it. I have personally offered a one-on-one coaching service to someone. Yeah, I offered a one-on-one coaching service to someone around this AI topic, and they got paid $100 for it. It was merely 1 hour 50-minute session that I actually coached this person one-on-one, and it wasn't done in one day, because that 1 hour 50 minutes was broken down into 2 or 3 days, so that the person will be able to digest every single thing I will learn. And you can also build yourself in this AI knowledge and start offering AI courses and start making money from it. So that's simply the fifth one on my list. Simply become an AI expert and then start offering services in it. If you ask me how you can become an AI expert, there are mainly two things you can do. One, you have to use it repeatedly, like keep learning more about it on YouTube. And secondly, pay an expert to teach you every single thing you need to know about a particular AI. And if you want to learn about an AI, ChatGPT is one of the best you should definitely go to.